Hello everybody and welcome in this video. We're gonna be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to install your Freshsales Action Automation for workflows. This tool is gonna help you automate actions directly from your workflow for your Freshsales account. So let me show you how to set it up inside your sub account. Come down here at the app market. You search for the app. You go at install, allowed, and install, and you have two keys required, like the API key and the URL. So how do we get those keys? We just have to switch to our Freshsales account. Let's do it right now. So inside the platform, we come here, personal settings, API, and there you go. You have the API key and the URL. So we copy, we paste, we go back, we copy, we paste. We're going to continue. We choose a plan, we confirm, we go on complete installation, and we have on install. This means that the tool is already installed within your Freshsales account. So you guys are now ready to execute actions directly from your workflow for your Freshsales platform. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7. So guys, thank you for watching this video.